Hey guys, Carson Jacobson back here with another percussion tutorial. It's been a while since I did a percussion tutorial. Thought I'd get back on it with the whole coronavirus quarantine deal. Today we're talking about the Flam. So first I'll describe what the Flam looks like in case you can't see it very well in the video. It's basically the snare drum equivalent of a grace note kind of thing if you're more of a pianist or a mallet player kind of person. You have this smaller note preceding a larger note. The small note is the 8th note or 16th bar or whatever, and a slash going through it. And then it's tied to a larger note that's a general quarter note or an 8th note, whatever the rhythm of the note you're playing is, basically. And it's pretty simple to play. The sound you're going for is kind of a... Those are all three Flams done fairly well. That's the sound you're going for. Say you set it up. I'm going to put this down to super beginner level real here for you. So, let's assume this is a right hand Flam. This means that your right hand is producing most of the sound, and your left hand is very soft. So you're going to put your left hand, your left stick is going to be about 1 to 2 inches off the drum head, and that's generally pretty good. We're going to assume this is like a mezzo forte level kind of Flam. So your right hand is going to be at a normal playing position. I call this 9 inches. It's halfway between flat and straight up. And then here's the tough bit. Drop them at the same speed. A lot of people try and overcompensate and they try and push the tall hand down a lot faster than the small hand. That's no bueno, especially for beginners, no bueno. However hard you're going down, make sure they're going the same, because you're not looking for 2 at the same time. You can use that sometimes, but not here. You're looking for 2 distinct sounds. It's going ba-da. You want a small one followed by a big one. That's why you're not pushing. A lot of people also try and push the left hand down super fast to get it louder. Which you could do, but it's not what you want here. You just drop them at the same speed. With Flam, you know, there's a lot of other rudiments. There's the Flam tap, there's the Flam paradiddle. But they all start with this basic rudiment. And it's used to get that basic sound. Anyway, hope you liked this tutorial. It was pretty easy to do. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. In the comments section, I also accept suggestions on how I can improve my teaching, basic comments, or ideas for videos. Really, I read all the comments. So far, I've replied to every comment except one. And I would have replied to it, but it took me like a year before I noticed it, because I was in kind of this YouTube dead zone, where I never did YouTube. Also, leave a like on this video, makes me feel good. Go ahead and subscribe, because I post a lot of different kinds of things. So even if you're not into percussion a lot, I post other things that you might be into. So go ahead and subscribe so you can get the first few of my next videos, see if you're into it. Maybe watch one of these other videos. I don't know. It's up to you. Have a good day.